Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Ring camera is displaying error code P7-07, the device may be having difficulty completing the setup process or establishing a stable connection with your Wi-Fi network. This type of error is commonly associated with connectivity interruptions, signal strength issues, or communication problems between the Ring camera and the Ring app. Fortunately, error code P7-07 doesn't usually indicate permanent damage to the device. In many cases, a few simple adjustments can help the Ring camera complete setup successfully and return to normal operation. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps you can try. Try these. Step 1. Move the Ring camera closer to the Wi-Fi source during setup. Step 2. Confirm that the Ring camera is connecting to the correct network. Step 3. Refresh the setup process for the Ring camera in the Ring app. Step 4. Check the signal quality received by the Ring camera. Step 5. Restart both the Ring camera and your router. Step 6. Attempt the setup again and verify the Ring camera connects properly.